Hello everyone, welcome to How to Tuts. And in this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can stop getting notification from favorite my post on Mastodon. Okay, sometimes if you post something on Mastodon, then maybe you'll get a lot of notification from the people who favorite your post. So how can you stop getting this notification? Just watch the video till the end, then you will learn. So you need to click Mastodon or go to your Mastodon app, and here you can see this is the interface of Mastodon. So you need to go here, top right corner on your screen. So click on this and scroll down a little bit. Then you can see the option, uh, this one, favorite my post. Okay, so notify me when anyone favorite my post. So by default it's on. So when you click on that a circle, then it will be turn it off, and after that you will not able to receive any notification when someone uh, favorite your post. Okay friend, this is a very short tutorial for you, and today is no more, and thank you for watching this tutorial.